Are you looking for sophisticated finishes for your structure at an affordable price? Use Plascon Archi Texture Graffiante. It's formulated with exceptionally graded aggregates, performs superbly in all weather conditions, and bridges hairline cracks as well. The product comes in 15 and 30 kilogram buckets and is supplied ready to use. Do not thin the paste. Before application, new walls should be sound and ready for the trowel-on coating. Prepare the surface by performing the necessary maintenance on chipping or flaking walls. Use a masonry steel float as you apply the product to the thickness of the coarsest grits in the texture. That's to say, 1 mm, 1.5, 2, 2.5 or 3 mm variants. Working in a vertical upwards motion with one hand holding the steel float while the other hand a flat smooth plastic float helps in collecting any falling materials. This avoids wastage of the paste. This procedure will generate shadow marks or wavy streaks caused by the coarse grits in the texture. Work from right to left using a steel float to remove the shadow marks and excess material while allowing the coarsest grits to poke out of the surface of the applied texture. Use a polystyrene plastic float to create either unidirectional or random scratch designs. The polystyrene plastic float should always be cleaned during the floating operation. Stand directly in front of the surface that's being worked on to ensure that the grooves are running symmetrically to each other. Note that Plascon Archi Texture Graffiante can be applied in several different designs and patterns. However, it is recommended that certain patterns, like the diagonal one, are used in smaller spaces such as feature walls due to the complexity of maintaining consistency in the pattern over a large area. While you may allow the coating to dry for only 24 hours before applying 2 coats of any Plascon Archi Texture top coat paint, these are the respective drying times for Graffiante. Touch dry takes 4 hours, through dry is 24 hours, and hard dry is 7 days. Surfaces where the coating has been applied should be protected from direct sunlight and rain for 24 hours after application. Plascon Archi Texture Graffiante, the professional choice for color, texture, and performance.